I'm an IDF widow. My husband, Erez, he was in the Air Force for many years. Erez and I have 3 wonderful kids, and this organization has been a very important part of mine and my kids' life since Erez was killed. People should know that if something terrible happened to you when your husband is doing this important job, then you have a home.
IDF Widows and Orphans organization is the sole organization recognized by the State of Israel to represent and offer support to the widows and the children of the IDF fallen soldiers, also the security forces such as Mossad, Shin Bet, and police. One of the programs is the Otzma camps. Otzma is a community of children who come from a variety of backgrounds, but they all share one common ground. One of their parents died while serving the IDF and the security forces. And of course, they're having a lot of fun, they're hiking together, they're going to concerts, they're doing all kinds of great things, but that common ground is so important for them to develop as healthy individuals.
The camp is gathering 4 times a year, and it's great for my kids. They go and have fun with kids that experience their grief, and they have friends for life.
It is like a safe place. I can talk about a lot of things that I'm going through, and I know people won't judge me because they are going through the same things.
The organization supports the widows firstly by being their partners to raising the children. We also support the widows by doing all different kinds of courses and classes, retreats, holiday events, and so many other platforms where they can meet with each other, strengthen and be strengthened as a community. Our community has tragically and significantly grown over the past 6 months, with over 230 new families and nearly 550 children.
אבא היה איש כאילו ממש גיבור. עכשיו במלחמה הזאת כאילו לא כזה הבנו מה קורה, ואז שלחו הודעה מי יוצא להילחם. אבא ישר לקח רובה וראה את כל המחבלים בחוץ. והוא יצא להילחם, אני באמת מאוד גאה בו. אבא היה שוטר במסיבה ורעים. הוא נאבד לאיזה שבוע, ואז הבנו שהוא נרצח. לא יעבור הכאב. גם אני כל פעם אומר, הלוואי שיהיה לי כוח להחזיר את הזמן אחורה. הייתי יכול לראות את אבא.
אני בראש שלי עדיין נמצאת באותו יום שבת, מחכה לבעלי שיבוא לשבת איתי לארוחת ערב. הוא לא... עדיין לא מקבלת שהוא לא חוזר.
Our most urgent need right now is to make sure that Otzma continues to reach out to more children and mothers and make sure that every single family is being supported by our community.
I think this organization is a home for me and for my kids. It's a place to walk through this path of life after death, and I cherish it. And I'm thankful for everyone allowing it to happen.
Thank you to the Impact Forum Foundation in Los Angeles for supporting the IDF Widows and Orphans organization, helping us to make sure that no bereaved family is left behind.